I know I've been gone for a minute now. I've been sick, right? I've been sick and I haven't been able to make any videos or anything. But it's your favorite guru from Timu. I'm back. Still with a little cough. You know what I'm saying? But today I got a banger for y'all boys. And I know bangers. You feel me? So yeah, we ended up making $1,200 today. I was down today. When I first got into the trade, it was some crazy thing. I end up showing it in the video. I'm gonna let y'all see it in a minute. But I really just want to talk about the Discord, right? The Discord today wasn't really good for everybody today. We all ended up taking L's. It was crazy. I'm just gonna keep it a buck. I never tell a lie to y'all boys. But then we end up making W's again. We turn L's into W's. So if you follow me on Instagram and I follow you back, you'll see that in my note, because I talk what I mean what I spit. You feel me? What I say, I mean it. And I'm just yapping, but it's cool. But yeah, I just want to talk about Discord today. We ended up taking some L's, then we ended up getting the money back. And the reason I want to talk about that is because understand that with trading, man, a L is never the end of it. Real talk, when you take a L or you blow an account or you lose anything like that, it's never the end of you. Because I ended up losing today. I was like, dang, like, I'm gonna get this money. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get this money back. I knew I was gonna win. That's what you need to have the mindset of. I used to think every time I lost, I was like, dang, my account over with. Like, I used to be like that. Like, bro, I just blew this account. Like, cause shoot, nigga, L, it just seemed like it's so hard to come back from. And once you continue to have that mindset, yeah, nigga, it's gonna always be hard to come back from. But once you start thinking like, I can come back from anything. If I was down, if I ended up losing $1,900 in the account and I only had $100 left, nigga, we finna trade micros until we win. No doubt. One micro coming off of it. You feel me? So you gotta have that good mindset where you actually are going to become, you know, a good trader. So I want y'all boys to understand that you can make it with this thing. Anybody can do anything. Just take my Discord server. If y'all boys want to learn for completely free as well, check the link in the description down below. If you want to learn from me personally, got the WAP in there. Go ahead, sign up, get in the Discord, man. Join up, bro. Go ahead. It's not free, but you'll learn a lot from it. Trust me. But yeah, I'm gonna start talking. I'm gonna stop yapping. I'm gonna let y'all boys see the vid of us actually trading. Well, me actually trading. And yeah, y'all can watch it. And watch how I overcome my emotions and all that different type of stuff. God loves you. We are in for buys right now on NASDAQ. In for buys. As you can see, we're kind of consolidating right now, not really getting any movement. Want to see us get held. Had an SMT. There we go. Look at that push. Now I can show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all everything after this, but yeah, we should get a push here, just straight to the upside, like we're getting right now. Obviously, want to see TP, full TP. We are down for today. I did end up losing sales last night. It ended up wicking me out like crazy. Hold on, let me make sure my camera is set. Yeah, we good. Let me wipe y'all off real quick. There we go. Now let me show y'all what I mean. We just seen 400. Let's get back to that 400 mark. But yeah, this was last night trade. I don't know if y'all can see that. Last night trade, we ended up going up till it stopped me out and went to TP. So I was kind of bummed out by that, but hey, happens. You get what I'm saying? This trade should make us everything back plus some if we hit TP with this. We just need to keep going up with it, keep holding. It's holding pretty strongly. So I want to see us keep shooting to the moon. I actually got to take a dump. Yeah, I didn't even know that. Need to the class. Crazy bottom tick too, I'm gonna be honest. Crazy bottom tick. Really want to see it break through this high. If we get a break through this high, we're good. Just a break through that high, be good. Hold. I almost got out, y'all. Hold. We're gonna hold this. I'm confident in this trade. Confident in it. I almost got out. Y'all seen it. I almost got out. Patience, everyone. Patience. I'm really talking to myself. When I say that.
However, if you ever see me outside with a group of women and you wondering, damn, I wonder which girl this is. Who's he fucking with? It's the one with the best looking lips, man. I'm a looks guy. What can I say?
Alright, since we climbing back up, like I said, we could talk about why I took this trade. SMT, of course, y'all see the SMT we have right here. That's not the only thing. We actually ended up going to a previous level that I had. I will show y'all the level, but I want to keep it right here for the TikTok, so they can see us just run the TP. We rejected off this level plenty of times already, as we can see, and we have printed up to the upside. So of course, now since we could not break past this low, I'm in for buys, trying to hold past this high. This is our main thing. We want to get past this high. We can't seem to get past this high. Eventually we're going to shoot past it, but we just can't seem to get past this high and stay above it. When we get to it, you see how we get slowly to it but never break it. So we seem to be creeping up past it, but then look, like we start dropping. There we go. See, this what we do right now. Yeah.
I should have some gas money for you today. You said about the post office before we go.
Yeah, I got you. What's alright? Bet. Give me like 10 minutes. Bet. There we go, y'all. That's what we talking about. This what we like to see every day. This why y'all watch this YouTube. You get what I'm saying? All that money we just lost back right there. My bad. I gotta take my brother out. All that money just made back. Want to get some good closure. Great trade. Good trade. We want to see a really good close. And the crazy thing is, I almost exited this trade. I almost got out of this, and that would have been bad. We need, like, come on, keep pushing us up. Man. Bottom tick. Amazing freaking trade. Amazing freaking trade. We'll take TP right there. Take profit right there. Give us that. We go higher, but I just made all my money back plus some for the day. So I'm going to get off of this completely. Thank God I made that bread back. Just let the market flow with you. Now since we got the TikTok done, let's go ahead and talk about the YouTube side of things. Let me break this trade down for y'all boys. We ended up, as we could see during Agent and London session, we ended up dumping and entering back into Monday's range, right? This is Monday's range. This whole area is Monday range. So we ended up going back into Monday's range because today is Tuesday. Once I peeped that, I ended up drawing out my what's this thing called? Fixed range profile tool, whatever you want to call this thing. My baby, I love it. Fixed range volume profile. Ended up drawing this out, and as we can see, we came down and tapped into it a couple of times. Well, on the 15-minute or the 30-minute, whatever you want to go to, we ended up tapping into it right here, just barely. Right, we're in this area, we're in that range of tapping it. And what I also realized is, like, when I seen that, I was like, dang, okay, we have been rejecting off of this area that we reject off pretty strongly from. I also seen that we also have this whole what's this thing called, standard deviation, which is A+ setup for me, right? And then I'm like, okay, we have that. I need to see, do we have a SMT? Chef's kiss. Every single time it's a chef kiss. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to wait for us to come back down to these lows, because when I realized this, it was like around in this area over here. When I realized this, we was like up here. So I wanted to see us drop back down to these lows over here, because these lows are pretty strong. As we can see, let me show you. This low right here is pretty strong. We have been manipulating or bouncing off of it quite a bit, so I want to see us come back down to these lows at least, and that's exactly what we did. And like I said, we had an SMT right here. NASDAQ didn't take these ES didn't take these lows, and NASDAQ did, right? NASDAQ did end up taking those lows right there. So yeah, we created the SMT, and this was just a perfect A+ setup, and I ended up bottom ticking it. I really don't try to go for bottom ticks anymore like I used to, but when you're using standard deviation, like this, typically you're going to have bottom ticks. You know what I'm saying? And everything just lined up. So this was a perfect A+ setup, and as you can see, we ended up eating good off of it pretty well. You feel me? I went into drawdown earlier. I didn't see that because I started recording pretty late. I actually wasn't expecting to get on and take a trade at all. I was actually just getting on just to see if I seen the trade, and I seen this, and I ended up taking it. But I should have probably put 2 contracts on, but it's cool. I'm glad we just made our money back from earlier and plus some extra bread. So yeah, man, God loves y'all boys. I hope this helped y'all understand trading, whatever it may be. I'll catch y'all another video. Peace out. Dang, my head look crazy.